Is your ONN device refusing to connect to Wi-Fi? You're not alone. Let's walk through a few quick fixes to get you back online. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your trusted hub for tech fixes and troubleshooting. Today, we are showing how to fix Wi-Fi connection problems on ONN. Let's fix it in just a few simple steps. Method 1. Check your Wi-Fi network settings. If your router supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, switch to the 5 GHz band for better speed and stability. To do this, go to Home screen and select the gear icon for settings. Choose all settings, then Network and Internet. Select your preferred network and reconnect. Restart your router, modem and ONN device to refresh the connection. Method 2. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Sometimes a fresh connection does the trick. Head to Settings, then go to All Settings, then select Wi-Fi. Select your current network and choose Forget Network. Reconnect by entering your correct Wi-Fi password. If you are using ONN with Google TV, follow the on-screen setup to connect to a new or existing network. Method 3. Eliminate signal interference. Make sure your ONN device isn't blocked by furniture, walls, or other electronics. Avoid placing it behind your TV or near microwaves, speakers, or wireless gadgets. If possible, move your router closer to the ONN device to improve signal strength. Method 4. Use an Ethernet adapter. If Wi-Fi remains unstable, consider using an Ethernet adapter to connect directly to your router. Wired connections are often more reliable, especially in areas with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Method 5. Check power supply. Ensure your ONN is powered using the original cable and adapter. Try plugging it into a different outlet to rule out power issues that might affect connectivity. Method 6. Confirm HDMI input. Make sure your TV or monitor is set to the correct HDMI input. If needed, switch to another HDMI port and check if the ONN boots up properly. Method 7. Contact ONN support. Still stuck? Reach out to ONN support for expert help. They will guide you through advanced troubleshooting or warranty options. And that's it. Your ONN should now be connected and ready to stream. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Got your own tip or still need help? Drop a comment below. We are always here to chat. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next one.